Yes guys, so welcome to part 2 of the budget build series, and today is the day the car is arriving. I read all of the comments on the last video and there was so many different suggestions, but what I feel like the format's going to be is 3K, that is including modifying, buying and fixing the car. So it's going to be a very, very difficult build, but the reason for this is I want to show you guys that even with a 3K budget, you can have as much fun, you can do as much with a car, and it can be as good as a 30 grand budget. Stuart is picking the car up right now as we speak. It's his mate Simon's car. He's had it for a couple of years and it's been sat on his driveway. It's got a problem with the engine and it's smoking out the back. He's gone to pick it up for me now, and he's should be on his way. Just before he arrives, there's one thing I'd like to say. This is going to be the last chance really that you guys get to enter the giveaway, which is for the Jordan Retro 4 Blues or the equivalent in cash. So it's up to you guys. If you want to enter, just comment below I've entered, or alternatively go over to Instagram, follow me on there and enter on there. That would be much appreciated if you could do that. But this is your last chance because we are literally at 27k subscribers. All the rules are going to be in the description. Yeah, so I read all of your guys' comments. There was BMWs, there was 5 Series, 3 Series, 1 Series, Suzuki Swifts, Mini Coopers, Polos, Golfs, Fiesta STs. There were so many different suggestions, and obviously I can't please everybody. This car came up, Stuart said it was available, and I thought this could be a really, really cool one to do first, because I'm going to be doing the budget build again after this one, because it's a great series. I am going to raffle away and one of you guys is going to have a chance to win, so it's going to be exciting. We've actually got the AMG in the yard today, as you can see, because we are fitting some lowering springs and a spoiler, but that is going to be a separate video which will be released on Sunday night, so make sure you guys stay ready for Sunday night for when that video releases. So I'm quite nervous to see this car really. I have no idea how bad it's gonna be. Oh God, I thought that was it then. I just spoke to Stuart on the phone. He's 5 minutes away. So I'll explain the format properly. So 3K budget build, that includes repairing, that includes fixing, which means repairing as well, you thicko. Modifying and, oh my God, and buying parts, everything within the 3K budget. So I'll put it in my pocket. That is the series in a nutshell. So it's gonna be tough, don't get me wrong. It's gonna be hard to do everything I want to do within that budget, but I have faith that I'm gonna be able to do it. This car has cost me £900. I have got £2,100 left to fix it, because it's definitely gonna need some work done, and to modify it. My plan is to turn this into a track car and go for a track day early next year. So all things go, I've actually already ordered some coilovers for it, which we're going to get put on straight away. But before that, I probably need to fix it and get it running. If it needs a new engine, then that's going to eat massively into my budget. But we won't know until we see the car. Let me call Stuart again. Where is he? You know, takes his time, doesn't he? Drives like an OAP. Hello? Alright, see you in a second. Bye, mate. Bye. We are moments away, guys, from seeing the car. We are moments away. Rip in the chat for me if it's bad. He said it's smoking, it's got a bit of a misfire on the engine, so hopefully it's just an injector. Here she is. And that is it, guys, an 07 2-litre diesel Golf. Wasn't the first choice car, but I must say it's very sexy. Let's go and speak to Stuart about it. Here she is then. Bit of a beast then. Give her a rev then and let me see the white smoke coming out the back. Oh, look guys, come back round here. You can see there's a few issues with it. Oh my God. Right then, let's do a start up and see how badly it misfires. You said it's got a bit of a misfiring problem, hasn't it? Very clean inside though, I must say. Oh, it starts up on the button. Very, very shaky. Obviously there's one cylinder in the engine that's not firing properly. I can tell that just from sitting inside it. Let's pop the bonnet and have a look. But before then, we've got £900. This is the first bit of money spent on the budget build series. There you go, Stuart. Thank you, mate. That is the £900 for the car. Thank you for sorting it out to me, and look at the state of that. Oh my days. So Stuart told me that he thought it might be the inlet manifold, and when you rev it, down here you can see the rod on the inlet manifold isn't moving properly, so something might have fallen off that into the engine But the only way we're going to do that is if we do a compression test, which we're going to do in the next video. So you think what? That something's broken off the inlet manifold on the engine?
That's it, we'll do a compression test, won't we? It's not new engines on.
New engine. Right, let's shut that off for a second. Genau. So what do you guys think? It is a 2007 2-litre diesel Golf GT. You can actually map these up with some intakes, with a remap, and with a few other bits, maybe some upgraded turbos. You can get these to about 280, maybe 300 horsepower. So it's going to be a bit of an animal going around the track. Plenty of mods you can do. You can change the front grills. But my plans for this one, we're going to go bucket seats. We're going to rip the interior out, roll cage, upgraded alloys. I don't know what you guys think, put the Mark 5 Golf GT wheels on it. They're like circular shaped ones. I put them on screen now, you know the ones. I can't remember the name of them off the top of my head. But yeah, this is going to be sick. I'm actually excited. If we do need to do an engine swap, I'm going to see how hard it is to put a GTI engine in there. I don't know if it's going to be possible because it's got diesel rads and it's got diesel pumps and things in there. But if it's doable, I'll look into it and I might get that done. But if not, then it's going to be another GT diesel engine in there. But we might not need to put a new engine in there yet. Stuart did warn me about this, but I thought for 900 quid, what a fucking bargain. I had to take it. So we're going to do the compression test next video and find out if it is a new engine for the budget build. So make sure you subscribe, guys. This is the first episode, and this is actually the second episode. This is the second episode in a budget build series, and we are just getting started. Work is going to commence in the next episode when me and Stuart are going to do a compression test and see if we need to put a new engine in it. Fingers crossed, guys. Comment below what mod you'd like to see, what colour you'd like to see the car, and if there's anything else you think we should do to it that I haven't mentioned. But until then, guys, I'll see you next time.